Just came back from a long trip. See if we can get rid of all this tape. So we'll see what we have here. Oh, this is a set of accessories for the car. This is an armrest with a dual layer storage box, a gap filler, fast wireless charger, and a 65-watt docking station. Wow, pretty advanced. Okay, here I am in this beautiful 2026 Toyota Highlander. This is the hybrid version. We just saw the new electric version of it, but that's the Highlander only. The Grand Highlander will continue to be offered as a hybrid. And as you can see, this car has a lot of cargo space here. This deep cup holder, two smaller ones, and it has this huge console here in the middle. And I have this 5-in-1 DriveMate Armrest. So this is something that can be added to pretty much any car. Just when you think that you have enough space for everything, you need more, I guess. So let's see what we got here. I partially opened the box inside. Here are some instructions. So this armrest has a charger with a 12-volt port, adjustable highest armrest, dual layer storage box. It has a 15-watt wireless fast charging. This car already has one charger here, or actually I think it's sideways. No, it's this way. Yeah, it's charging there now. So you can have another one for the passenger here. And it also has a seat gap filler, so you don't lose things here in between the seats, so that's pretty good. A 65-watt docking station that connects to the power source from the vehicle. So here are some of the instructions. I guess I'm gonna have to go on the other side and see how it is. Okay, let's see what we got here. I think these plastic pieces are to fill up any gaps just in case. So this is the gap filler, and it goes like so. And this other piece, it has this clip to push it down, and these clips actually secure it here. There you go. So now you push it in here. You still have access to your seat belt. We didn't need this. This is pretty secure here. And here's the power source. This one goes in the 12-volt charger. The 12-volt charger in this car is inside the center console here. There you go. You connect it here in the back. You can hide the wire there. So now, as you can see, the phone is charging here. You can hide it there, and you still have access to other accessories on this side. So when you're like even sitting here, this doesn't bother you. It's like actually it's an extra armrest. So something that probably you didn't think would need for your car, but here it is. That's the phone charging in there. That's pretty cool, actually, I have to say. And again, this car has another one here, but I think I like this one. We're gonna find a car to keep this on a permanent basis. 5-in-1 DriveMate Armrest. Experience ultimate driving comfort. I think that's actually true in this case. So there it is. This color actually matches the rest of the material here, so it doesn't look like it's an aftermarket product. Fits in really well. Thumbs up to this product. And again, so when you leave, don't forget to take your phone. There you go. It actually looks like it was made for this car.